There is a control in Zoom that's very handy for people that are remote producing or want to get the guest or participant in the Zoom room to look as good as possible, and it's called remote camera control. Now, if you have a PTZ camera, which is a pan tilt zoom camera that the guest is using, then you can ask for remote control in Zoom, control their camera, get them all lined up and looking amazing. Before you can actually control somebody's camera remotely, there is a setting in Zoom that you need to check for. So if you just go to your Zoom account and type in camera, there is a setting here called far end camera control. You just need to make sure that is toggled on, and that is then available for all your meetings. So let's show you how this works. So I've got Zoom running here, and I've got my lovely wife who is on the other side getting ready for her Zoom call. But as you can see, the actual camera is a little bit off and we need to correct that. So all you need to do is, first of all, go onto the window here where the three little dots are, click on this and ask to request camera control. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see that they get pinned to the top, and then they will get a response that they need to approve. But you can see now that I have the controls here, and this allows me to do pan, tilt and zoom on the camera that she's using. And incidentally, this is the Tiny 2 4K. So I'm going to just adjust the camera here a little bit. I'm going to tilt this down a little bit here, so that looks fine. And then I'm also going to zoom in a little bit, and I'll tilt up a little bit more as well. So you can see that the camera controls are just amazing. So now I'm adjusting the camera, making sure that she's center in frame and looking ready and prepared for her call. Once that is done, all I need to do is remove the pin, put the guest back, and then I just stop camera control. And it's as simple as that for setting up your guest camera, specifically if they're using a PTZ camera such as the Tiny 2 4K.